What's up? It's me, Packy, on this edition of The House, paying people to make my spares. I'm here with Colton. You guys have seen Colton on the channel many times before. It is 10 bucks per filled frame. So if I strike accidentally, because I'm not gonna try and strike, but if I strike accidentally, I'm giving him 10 bucks. And if he makes my spare, I'm giving him another 10 bucks. Hopefully, Colton gets a bunch of money and racks up some dollars today, because I'm gonna leave him plenty of opportunity. And
sweet. That's what I'm talking about.
like I said, I might shoot 300. Stay on the bench. Stay on the bench.
That's what I'm here for. It's more impressive that you're not throwing a purple hammer, so I mean, I'm already impressed.
We've talked about this. I'm more than the purple hammer. Oh, that's good.
God. Well, okay, it's in the middle of the lane.
The first tough spare for Colton here. Do you think it's more challenging because I'm left-handed?
Well, I mean, I throw the ball terrible half the time, so I leave these spares all the time.
You leave the 1-3 a lot?
Yeah, but you can't hook at these because the lanes are roasted, so I really don't know how to shoot straight at this right now. I don't know whether to go left to right or right to left. Hook a little.
Hey!
I'm telling you, I've never shot that spare.
You said
straight.
You know, oh, usually it's like you just hook
I'm a house hack. I hook at everything.
Okay, okay. Save myself 10 bucks. Ah, the ever-challenging 10 pin.
I missed 4 of these at the Lucy.
Oh, God. Lame. 10 bucks.
That's what I'm talking about. Just leave all those. I know it's really easy for a left-handed.
Here, I'll put these out here for you. There's 20 so far.
Yes. I like them face up. You remember the last time I took money from you? Face up, please.
I think I like the idea of like challenging him.
Gosh. My ball didn't even come back, so. My ball already knows I'm gonna miss it. Last one I went left to right, so I think I should go right to left this time.
Okay. Would you rather me leave splits or leave spares?
More likely to make a split.
Hook. Oh. Woo!
Thank God there's no oil on these lanes. Face up in order.
Once again, you guys can check the serial numbers. They're all fake. Every single one of them. Maybe just throw a little slower from there.
Oh, wow. You're such a menace right now.
I'm trying to split. I'm trying. Oh boy. My man, sharpshooter.
We're just throwing them hard now.
Sharpshooter, go get your 10. Go get your 10 from the stack.
Okay. More money than I made at the Lucy. Let's go.
We move a little left here, try and go straight through the face.
Oh, that might split.
Oh, the elusive 5-pin.
I missed one of these too. Single pins are not my friend.
With all this money you make, you can buy me one drink. I'll take an apple juice, please. Oh.
Middle of the lane, let's go. I like where you're leaving them.
I'm trying. It's hard to split when you just have amazing ball reaction.
We're racking them up.
Oh, maybe.
You should try to split on tour. You seem like you can't do it when you try.
Maybe like a 240. Yeah, the second I start splitting on tour, maybe just try and split.
That's
through the face.
Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
I don't like that.
Easy money.
Even a little bit.
Easy money for me. The most work I do.
Shoot!
He's a professional. I shouldn't have to make spares.
That's it. You know what I have to say to that? Oops.
These are piss hard.
These spares are tough.
We're gonna just, I don't know if I should just throw as hard as I can at the head pin or actually channel my inner Norm Duke and just put no hand in it.
Whatever you do, I wish you luck. Oh, that's pretty good.
Look, it's not that hard to split.
I know, I've been trying to leave splits. Is the washout a split? Comment down below. Tell me if the washout's a split. In my books, it's a split.
Oh, wow.
Well, it's another toughie here. Could be.
I'm losing money again.
Closer.
Woo!
Money.
Smoked that one.
For number 9, your food is ready. Order number 9.
Gotta slide him over. I'm running out of room over here. It's the last frame. I need you to strike out.
You need
it's the
me to
only way I
strike
can
out?
make the most money.
Order number 11, your food is ready. Order number 11.
Oh boy. Oh. Very nice.
I get to strike for the fill.
You get a strike. How much money have you earned so far? 30. You've earned 80 bucks. You've earned 80 bucks. I'll let you risk it all and strike for 160 if you want.
You know I'm a gambling man. I always risk it
Okay.
all.
If he strikes, it's 160. Hold on. Sorry. Just didn't look right. Gotta ice him. Full re-rack.
I didn't know you can ice.
What is this, the Peterson?
Full re-rack.
Just you can ice my own.
Yeah. Could we get some heavy pins down there?
Start turning the lights out?
Yeah.
I thought I can only ice you by my reset. I'm either striking or 9-pinning. Silent killer.
All right.
Hey.
I'm going broke.
So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I love this game.
All right, thank you guys for watching. Colton, as you saw, won $160. I gave him the opportunity to double up his money at the very end by throwing that final strike, and congrats, that was awesome.
Thanks.
So if you guys want, please subscribe to the channel and help me pay more money to more of my friends.
I need more money. Keep
Next
subscribing.
week. See you guys next week.
Well, I'm $10.
Order number 10, your food is ready. Order number 10.